Hi guys, I sure do miss you. Great job. We all survived our first week of virtual learning. I am so proud of you. I've kept all the pictures you sent me for your ecosystems. They are fantastic. So keep up the great work. I'm very proud of you. I wanted to give you a short video on this week. We're going to start food chain. So last week we talked about ecosystems and you learned about producers and consumers and predator and prey. So we're going to learn a little bit more about that this week with food chain. So let me show you an example. So here we have producer, which is grass, and it's a producer because it produces its own food. The consumer, we have a grasshopper. We have the mouse that's a both predator and a prey. It's the predator of the grasshopper because it's a grasshopper mouse that eats grasshoppers. We have a snake that consumes the mouse, and the snake itself is also a predator prey because it will get eaten by the bird. Now, all of these can be, once they die, all of them can be consumed by a decomposer, and it kind of starts things back over again. Now, something that's missing from this food chain are the links. So let's take a look at the link because the links are very important. If you notice, the first arrow is from the sun to the producer because the producers get their energy from the sun. Now, the arrow points to what gives the energy to. So anytime you see an arrow, you can write get, gives energy to. The sun gives energy to the grass gives energy to the grasshopper gives energy to the consumer, to the mouse, and the mouse gives energy to the snake gives energy to the bird. And then all of them, once they die, can give energy to the decomposer. And the decomposer makes the producers rich, the soil rich, and gives it nutrients. So it's also very important. So this week you're going to watch a couple videos about food chains. You're going to create a food chain. Be sure to send those pictures in when you have them. And if you have any questions, you can send me a message on Google Classroom. You can email me. Just make sure you holler at me if you're having any trouble, and have fun, and we'll video chat soon. Miss you guys.